I often meet exceptionally capable leaders who feel strangely stuck. And when I speak to them, I realize that the issue isn't a lack of talent, it's a lack of purpose. Hi, I'm Ranjan De Silva, and my purpose is to help individuals, leaders, and organizations to be successful by being purposeful. So you might ask the question, why do exceptionally talented leaders feel stuck? One of the big reasons behind it is they got into a role or a position in an organization because it was lucrative, because it paid well, it was good image, it was a good position, the designation was great. And for those reasons, when you take those roles, you find that you really don't enjoy what you're doing. Getting up in the morning and going to work is a huge task for some of them. But I also have come across leaders who just love what they do. They can't wait till they wake up in the morning and get to work, because in work they enjoy the environment, they enjoy the colleagues they have, the type of work they do. And that is because their work is in sync or aligned with their purpose. I was coaching this finance director of this company, and whilst his purpose was in the area of the coast and the water sports area, his job was more in the logistics aspect of the business. Now, although he knew finance, he was not passionate about what he was doing. So he didn't get any opportunity to go into the area that he loved to be. And because of that, he was having major difficulty waking up in the morning because he was not really excited about going to work. And because he was not enjoying his work, he used to take a longer time than usual. And when he went back home, now he goes back late because of his inefficiency, he takes at least 1 or 2 hours more. When he goes home, he's in a bad mood, he's angry, he has, fights with his spouse, he doesn't spend enough time with his children, and he's on to himself. Most of the time he's stressed, he's angry, and this is what happens when you are in an area which is not aligned with the purpose of your life. After a while, he started asking the question, what do I really love to do? Where can I make a real contribution? And then he started looking out within the organization to see, is there anything I can do where I am in that arena? And fortunately, this was a large conglomerate which also had a hotels sector. A few months later, such an opportunity came up. He moved into that other sector. His work was more into the areas. He could travel to most of the properties all the time. He was spending time over the weekends there, and he just loved what he was doing, and he just started thriving. So capability, qualifications, expertise is not the biggest thing. The biggest thing that you need to focus on is getting to an arena which is aligned with your purpose. So in order to become purposeful, let me offer you some baby steps. First of all, at the end of the day, ask yourself, did I live a day which made a contribution to the world? Did I feel energized during the day? Did I learn something new? Did I build some quality relationships? And after you reflect on those questions, make a decision that the next day is going to be better. So when you wake up in the morning, ask yourself, what can I do today to make a contribution to my world? Could be my family, my team, my society. What can I do to take a baby step towards becoming more purposeful, which is making a contribution towards the world? And as you start taking those steps, and then again reflecting at the end during the day as well as at the end of the day, you will gradually becoming more and more purposeful. It's an ongoing cycle. We call it action research. I take action, I reflect on it, I research it. And based on that, I take action again. And I go through that cyclical form to become purposeful day by day. I invite you to follow us so that you can learn about purpose and find ways of making your life spectacular.